Following is the tutorial how to create a classroom using Teams. So first we click on join or create teams, and we can click on create team right here, and we're going to choose class type, and I'm going to name this class a demo class, and you can give an optional description. I'm going to skip this for now and hit next. The team will be created for you automatically, and I'm going to add 2 students in here as an example. You can just type in their name or their email addresses that associated with CDU, and it will show up. And 2 students have been added. I'm going to hit close, and right now I am inside of the classroom. So as you can see, there are several options. You can upload class materials, or you can add training materials in here. Okay, so from here I'm going to upload class material, and in Teams, under files, there's a folder called class material, and this folder is created by default, and if you click on it, it has a message right here. It says that any files that's uploaded into this folder will be read-only to students, and only teachers can edit these files, so that's very convenient. So let's say I'm going to upload some files in here, and everyone can view this file, but again only teachers can edit. And also I'm going to create some assignments, so I'm going to click on the assignments tab right here and hit get started, and I'm going to create. If you want to create a quiz, you can click on quiz and it will bring you to the screen. You can either create a new quiz. If you click on that, it will bring you to a form that is provided by Teams, and you can give the title, and you can customize however the quiz you want, but I have already done that, so I am going to choose a quiz that I have created before, which is KCO1. I'm click on that, hit next, and I'm going to give an instruction saying choose a correct answer, and I'm going to give this one 10 points, and the due date is going to be September 5th, and I'm going to assign this assignment to all the students and hit done. And once I'm ready, I'm going to hit assign. Okay, and we'll see that there's a notification right here saying that a assignment has been created, and if we go back to post, there it is, the assignments that we just created. What if I want to create other types of assignments? So let's go back to assignments, and I want to create a team project. So I'm going to hit create again, assignment, and I'm going to name this a team paper, and the instruction I'm going to say write about a full stack application, and optional I can add extra resources for the students, and I'm going to give this one 100 points, and we can also add the rubric here as well. And again, I'm going to assign this to all the students in the class, and I'm going to change the due date again to 5th of September, and I'm going to hit assign. And as you can see under assignments, now we have 2 assignments showing. And if we go back to post, again we can see all the assignments showing up here. Recall earlier I have added 2 students into this class, so right above here, if I hit one more and we can see grades. So if I open grades, I, as a teacher role in this class, I'll be able to see all the students and all the assignments that assigned to them, and here I can give them grades. But I'm not going to give it for now until they have submitted their assignments. So let's see how students can submit their assignments into this class.
When you log into your Microsoft Teams classroom, and you can see your the paper that you need to submit in your post tab here. And when you can also see your assignment through the assignment tab. So when you open the assignment tab, you can see there's a team paper and the KC01 assignment listing here. So let's use the team paper as an example. So when we click the team paper, you can see the team paper, the title, and the due date, also the instruction of the team paper, and you can also attach the assignment that you want to submit. If you click the add work, and you can upload the assignment from here. And after you've attached the assignment, you can click the turn in button on the top right hand side. When you click the turn in, you can see there's a timestamp listing next to the turn in button. So that means you are successful upload the assignment. So go back to the assignment tab. You can see there's a completely tab. So you can see your team paper is successful submit because there's a like the blue check on your team paper item.
Now we know that one of the students have submitted their work. As an instructor, I can go to assignments, and I should see here that one student out of 2 have turned in for the team paper, and none of them have turned in anything for the knowledge check. And another place I can view is under grades, with a student's name, and here we can see that student name, the student with the name Yuche has turned in for their team paper, and for the knowledge check the student have had a look at the assignment. So now I'm going to give the grades to the students, but first of all I would like to see what they submitted. So I'm going to go back to assignments. I'm gonna click on the team paper, and under Liu Yuche, I'm going to click on the turned in, and here I can see his submission, but since the student didn't submit any document, it doesn't show anything here. And I can also view the history. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna give some feedback, and I'm going to give him 100 out of 100 points, and I'm going to return to the student, and I hit close. So now if I go back to grades, we should see that the grades, it's updated here automatically. So now let's see what the students can see for each of their account individually.
After you submit the assignment to the Microsoft Classroom, and you can click the grade to see if you got any grade. So when you click the grades tab, and you can see your team paper, and the status of team paper is marked as returned. So when you see the returns keyword, and you will know that, okay, so this team paper is being graded. So for this example, we got the 100 out of 100. However, in the Microsoft Teams, it is hard to see the feedback from here. So you need to go to the assignment tab. So when you click on the assignment tab, you can see the not this one. So go to team paper. So you can, when you click on the team paper, you can see the feedback listing here. So that's the downside for using the Microsoft Teams Classroom, because you need to click on the every assignment that you submit before to see the feedback.
There are some extra features for you to use. For example, we can create different teams for students. So next to the name of the class, there are the three dots here. We can click on that and we can add channel. And I'm going to name this one Team 1. And I'm going to keep this team private, which means that only people who are added to this team can view the content or get inside this team. And I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to add Yuche into this team, and I'm going to hit done. So if you see any team with the lock icon like this, we know that it's a private team. And I'm going to create another team, add channel, and I'm going to call this one team number 2. And I'm going to keep it standard, meaning everybody can access this team. And I'm going to create this team, and as you can see, I don't have to specifically add anybody in this channel since it's open for everybody else, And let's go back to our general channel where everybody has access. And if we want, we can schedule a meeting by clicking this arrow up here. You can start the meeting right now, a video call, or you can put a schedule. And here are several options as well. You can integrate other applications in here. So that's it for now.